Hello, peoples. Welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. Despite the ongoing drop in crypto, we might have some good news. It's about tax free crypto and it's in the United States. That's right, it's not in some small, obscure Pacific island or somewhere in Africa. It's in the good old US of A. But it's only for small crypto transactions. But this is a big step for people using crypto because no one actually wants to use crypto on small transactions if they actually get taxed on every $50 buy. Now, I think there will be things to prevent people from just doing small $50 cash outs until they cash out $1,000,000. That's probably not going to work. But if you want to buy small items with crypto, this could be a savior. So basically, a top Republican and a Democrat wanted to introduce legislation for transactions of less than $50. Now, this is a downgrade of the previous legislation where they wanted to exempt transactions of less than $200. But if you want to buy a Snickers bar if you're hungry, you can do that without being hit by the IRS because the IRS loves taxing Snickers bars. That's how evil the IRS is. So prominent US senators are trying to free Americans from tracking taxes every time cryptocurrency changes hands. That is very, very cumbersome. I really think crypto should only really be taxed when it gets transacted into cash, and there should be certain exemptions. There is a bill that would, they introduced a bill that would exempt them from reporting any transactions up to $50 or any trade in which they earn less than $50. So if you make $50 or less profits, you don't actually have to report it. Now, like I said, if you do like $50 increments up to like $1,000,000, I'm sure they will actually catch that because most of the big exchanges have that on track. But it is from Senator Pat Toomey with Kristen Sinema to push the exemption from tax requirements for crypto users making small investments or purchases. So like if you buy like, $10 worth of Ethereum and then sell it for $20, you may not have to report taxes. And that would make things for Coinbase a lot easier too. But the IRS is not going to like that because I bet the IRS does make significant amounts of money with that because a lot of crypto investors are going to be micro investors. The idea of clearing low-level transactions from tax worries has also appeared elsewhere, including in a more comprehensive bill introduced this year by Senators Cynthia Lummis and Kirsten Gillibrand. Now, that bill is better than this bill because that was up to $200, but it seems like congressmen are frowning on the $200 limit, so they're going for the $50 limit. So while digital currencies have the potential to become an ordinary part of Americans' everyday lives, this is from CoinDesk, by the way, the tax code does stand in the way, and especially the IRS, because it classifies it as property. So hopefully this bill will actually help people spend a little bit more crypto because I think in some instances it's actually pretty convenient to spend crypto, but not if you actually get taxed. This latest bill will let people use cryptocurrencies more easily as an everyday method of payment. And this could actually lend towards cryptocurrency being more seen as currency rather than a security or a commodity. And this would foster the use of crypto for retail payments. I think this could definitely be good for the United States, but I don't know how much people would actually use crypto. I still think most see it as an investment. And I think it could cause trouble where people try to just cash out in $50 increments until they get like $10,000. But I'm pretty sure there will be provisions in there to actually prevent that. And exchanges do have the record, so if you keep doing that, I think like if you abuse it, I think they will actually catch you. But if you want to buy a Snickers bar, a bag of chips or something with the crypto you have on your phone or whatever, this could definitely be very good for you. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.